Hello everyone, welcome back to my channel. Thank you so much for joining me today. I want to switch things up, you guys, and I wanted to talk about a few products that I found from the drugstore that have really transformed the overall health and look of my hair. And as you guys can see, all I have is bleach on my hair, and I bleached my hair for about, I bleach my hair every month and a half, and I already have a root, so I have to take care of that pretty soon. I actually do my highlights and everything, so if you guys want to see my hair dye routine, I will link two videos below for you guys. So a few months ago, it was at the beginning of summer. I ran out of shampoo and conditioner, and I just went in my bathroom and just found an old shampoo and conditioner that I had. So I said, why spend the money? I have these two. I'm gonna use them. And that's what I noticed. That's where I noticed that actually shampoo and conditioner do have an impact on your hair. After using those two, my hair felt like almost plastic. It felt like every time I would brush it, it would be like, it wasn't like a smooth brush like so. And even after styling it, even after curling it, my hair looked super dry, super frizzy. It looked very unhealthy. I would honestly hold my hair like this and it would just be like a straight arrow like that. And honestly, I was just so disappointed. I felt ugly because for me, my hair just transforms my face. And I was struggling with my hair so much so that I really considered going back to brunette. But I have been a blonde, you guys, for a very, very long time. I think I will dye blonde, and I don't know, I just couldn't go brunette. So I decided to, I don't know, just try a few products from a drugstore because I really didn't want to spend like a lot of money. And I know hair care products, you guys, like Living Proof, way, like they just are so freaking expensive. Moroccan Oil as well. And I don't know, I just wasn't ready to spend that kind of money. So I did do a few things like chopping the ends off every month and a half or so, applying coconut oil all over my hair twice a week. And even after doing that, you guys, it didn't really help. So I came to the conclusion after discovering these products that shampoo and conditioner is important, actually. And I thought you had to like take vitamins for your hair, nails, and that, or like I said, chop your ends, not color your hair too often, apply hair masks, expensive hair masks. So I thought all of that, and I'm pretty sure it does, but something that you use almost constantly is very important that it performs well, like your shampoo and conditioner. So I have two shampoos and conditioners from this drugstores, actually two brands from this drugstores, you guys, that those are the only two I will ever buy. I will not buy any other brand, and even if they claim, even if it's more expensive, I do not care. I will only buy these two, and actually one in particular, but I'll show you. So the one I have right now, the brand and the edition, or the line of this brand, is the one that I would always get. I will not get any other line from this particular brand, just because I have tried them and they just don't do anything to my hair, meaning they don't add hydration, and that's what I need. Bleached hair is very dry, you guys. It's very, very thirsty and needs a lot of hydration. So the one that I have here is the Pantene. Is it Pantene? Rose water sulfate free shampoo and conditioner. I only have the shampoo because I ran out of the conditioner. I always run out of the conditioners first. Shampoo always lasts for a long time, but conditioners, I just finish them like that. So this particular line from Pantene is amazing for bleached hair. it just really, like I said, hydrates the hair, and immediately when you are using it, you can really see that it's really how do I say, adding moisture to your hair. And it's sulfate free, which is great. Actually, most of the products that I have are sulfate free. Is it focused? So I really, like I said, I really loved this line. I've tried the other ones, but they were okay. So this line actually just saved my life. It is super affordable. So like I said, for me, shampoo, I'm a little bit more flexible. Conditioners though, you guys, I struggle with knots. My hair is so fine that if I'm outside and it's super windy, I get knots all over my hair, and it's super hard to detangle my hair. So what I need from a conditioner, once I'm in the shower, once I have the conditioner on, I like to comb my hair very gently when I have the conditioner on. And it has to, the conditioner has to detangle my hair by itself almost, where I just need to finish off by just straightening everything out. And if a conditioner doesn't do that, then I won't buy it ever again. That's what I need from a conditioner, you guys. I need my hair to detangle easily. I need hydration, moisture, all of that good stuff. And I can instantly tell if a shampoo will work as soon as I apply it on my hair. So as soon as because as you know, I mean, I'm sure you guys have noticed, but after shampooing, once you rinse off the shampoo, you can feel how coarse your hair feels after rinsing the shampoo. So instantly when you go with conditioner, if it's good or not, if it's good, you will feel that coarse hair just start, like, I don't know, smoothing out, straightening, I don't know. It starts to hydrate your hair, and it just deep conditions your hair. Basically, that's what I want to say. So this particular brand really saved my life, and it's the Aussie brand. For me, this is the best conditioner, even the shampoo. If you need one product from the drugstore, you guys, it is the shampoo and conditioner of this line. Now make sure you get the Miracle Moist one, as you guys can see, because they have several different versions, and I have tried, and they don't do the same effect. They don't perform the same way, and I made that mistake. So I stick only with the Miracle Moist one. They also have the 3-minute Miracle deep conditioning one. I use that one. I love it. It's a small bottle. It's $3, so it's not bad. Actually, no, I think that one is $5. This is $3, $2.97, I believe. Is it? I'm not too sure. But I also have tried the 3-minute Miracle deep conditioner one, and I will insert a picture. That is a miracle, you guys. If you have stubborn hair, if you need something to really hydrate your hair, to deep condition your hair, something to detangle your hair, if you have kids and you really have a hard time brushing their hair, really consider this line. I think this is my favorite one between the Pantene one. I just reached to the, I mean, I only go to Walmart to get this shampoo and conditioner because I love it. So the other ones are a little bit more expensive, but I absolutely love them. One is a shampoo and the other is a conditioner, and I have to say that I've seen that my hair is actually getting longer, and that is because it's not breaking as much. So these products are definitely helping with that, with the breakage, because you know it's super easy to detangle. If you have a hard time detangling your hair, you're obviously breaking it because you want to get rid of those knots. So using a conditioner that will help you with those with detangling your hair is very, very important if you're trying to grow your hair, you guys. So I've been noticing that my hair is getting pretty long after using these products specifically. So these two that I'm about to share are a little bit more expensive. They're like $20 each compared to the, I mean, these ones are like $5. But I mean, $20 is not that bad, and for the quantity is actually pretty good. So I'm gonna start with the shampoo, and I have seen mixed reviews about this product here on YouTube, but I love it and it actually adds shine. So the first product is this one right here. It is called the Redken Curvaceous No Foam Highly Conditioning Cleanser. So I believe it is a shampoo with some conditioner in it. So again, I'm really focusing on the conditioners because that's what's going to transform your hair. And like I said, I've seen mixed reviews on this one. So they have 3 different versions. They have the one that foams a lot, the second one foams a little, and this is no foam. So in the actually negative reviews that I saw were on specifically the no foam one because it feels weird, obviously because it doesn't lather at all. But how I like to use it is after, when I have the conditioner on, I actually go in, because it's a conditioner basically, I take some of the conditioning cleanser, and while I have the conditioner on, I just go with a few pumps and I just very gently rub it around like throughout my hair. And I have seen good improvements, you guys, like I said, on my hair after using these. This has no harsh salts, no paraben, so I think that has something to do with it as well. Like I said, I found it for $20. It's a liter, so for 20 bucks it's pretty good. I bought 2 of these, and I actually love it, you guys. Like, my hair is looking good and I'm really happy, so I really recommend this one. So that's the shampoo, and then the other one is a conditioner. This is, again, I was reading, I was searching for conditioners specifically for bleached hair, and I found this one from Biolage. This one right here. This is the Biolage. I don't know, but I read it in French because I speak French, you guys, so my brain automatically wants to read it in French. So it's the Biolage Keratin Dose Pro Keratin Plus Silk Conditioner for overprocessed hair. No parabens. Yeah, it has no parabens as well. So it's this one right here. And this one, I wouldn't say it's amazing to detangle your hair, but for hydration, you guys, it is #1. That's why I like to use a mix of this one, because this one really detangles my hair like heaven. And this one also adds the extra boost, the extra keratin, extra silkiness, extra hydration. So the combo really complements my hair, and I like to use them in combination. I mean, I would love to just use one conditioner that does everything, but I mean, I don't know. I just love how this is bringing, you know, the health back to my hair, which is very nice. I said that I was only going to talk about affordable drugstore products, but I do have to say that this product has transformed my hair as well, and I didn't want to get it. I didn't want to spend the money, you guys. I was looking for affordable alternatives, and I finally got it as a gift from my mom. She gifted me this product, and it's the Moroccan Oil. This, I have to admit, you guys, it is pretty good when it comes to dry hair. After, if I like straighten my hair, actually I straighten my hair first with a flat iron, and then I curl my hair, and then I finish off with this. It just completes the, I mean, it's just it's just amazing. I mean, you guys know, if you have tried this before, and I have tried it, I used to buy it actually back in the day, and then I was just like, you know what, I want to save some money. I am just sick and tired of spending. So I'm like, you know what, I don't need it. But I do have to say that it's really nice, and it's really helping my hair. So I really recommend this one. But yeah, so I guess that's it, you guys. That these are my products that I have been using, that have really transformed my hair. So if you guys are really struggling with your hair, you guys, look up these products, try them out, and let me know if you like them or not. And yeah, so I think that is it for this video, you guys. Thank you so much for watching. I really appreciate your support, and if you haven't already, subscribe and like this video. And yeah, so thank you again for watching. Take care, and I hope to see you in my next video. Mwah.